In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a project named LinkedIn Content Calendar. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable system to plan ideas, draft posts, get approvals, publish on time, and measure what's working. We'll keep it simple and flexible so you can adapt it to whatever project or task management tool you use. Start by creating a new project and naming it LinkedIn Content Calendar. This project will be your single source of truth for everything related to your LinkedIn posts. Give it a brief description so your team knows what belongs here. Set the default view you prefer. List or board both work well. And make sure the right teammates have access, so nothing gets lost in private chats or scattered documents. Next, add 4 sections: content ideas, drafting, approval, and publishing. Content ideas is your parking lot for concepts, hooks, and links worth exploring. Drafting is where you turn those ideas into actual post copy and assets. Approval is the checkpoint for stakeholders to review tone, accuracy, and brand compliance. Publishing is for final scheduling and posting. As work progresses, you'll simply move tasks from one section to the next, creating a clear visual pipeline from idea to live post. Within the project, create one task for each LinkedIn post. Use descriptive titles like Case Study Highlight Q2 Results, so it's obvious at a glance. Add a due date that reflects the target publish date, and assign the task to the person responsible for hitting that date. If multiple people are involved, like a writer, designer, and approver, use subtasks or clear task descriptions to outline who does what and when. Attach draft documents, images, or links so everything lives in one place. A quick tip: align due dates with your broader content cadence, such as posting every Tuesday and Thursday at the same time. Set up custom fields to track post type, status, and engagement metrics. For post type, options like image, video, article, link, or poll make it easy to balance your mix. For status, keep labels consistent: writing in review, scheduled, published, so reporting is accurate. For engagement, track impressions, reactions, comments, shares, clicks, and any key rates your team cares about. Consistent naming and simple ranges help you compare performance across weeks. Finally, collaborate with your team directly in the project. Use comments to request changes, tag teammates for quick approvals, and capture final copy right in the task. Share your schedule openly so everyone sees what's coming next, and review metrics together to refine future ideas. That's your LinkedIn content calendar, organized, accountable, and ready to scale.